Hello, this is Polaria, and today I draw this astronaut cat.
Can anybody hear me?
Thank you for requesting. I love the idea, so I started with these main shapes. It was a little bit harder, and I started filling the main colors. It was messier than the others, but with time I started shaping it well. I decided to draw this black cat into this astronaut suit. And really like making this glass, the highlights, and place this on the left side of the watermelon. So here we have the final result. Let me know what you think. What cat should I draw next?